Yeah. Yes, Likita, are you there? Likita. Yes, Likita, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Likita, please read out the first question, Likita.
A cube is measured at 4 centimeters in length. What is the surface area?
Given shape is a cube. Given shape is cube. By observing this thing, cube means all are square surfaces. What is the surface area? They didn't ask about whether it is a TSA or LSA. They didn't ask anything about, they're asking about the surface area. So surface area means 6a square. Total surface area you're supposed to calculate. So 6a square. A is
Option A, ma'am.
yeah. 6a square, 6 multiplied with 16, 6 are 96 centimeters square is the correct option. Very good. Next question, Satvik. Satvik.
Yes,
Satvik,
ma'am.
quickly, please, second question. Read out. Everyone is supposed to take one question and we'll go.
Find the surface area of the cylinder.
What is, first of all, tell the surface area of cylinder?
Ma'am, actually, I just joined, ma'am. From past few days, I did not join class only, ma'am. I
Okay.
was traveling. I don't know, ma'am. I just
Okay.
joined.
Okay, don't worry. Yes, sir. Yeah. Find the surface area of cylinder. Sahu, what is surface area of cylinder?
Something 2 pi.
Surface area of cylinder. 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So h value is 13. R means there is a diameter is given 20 centimeters. You need to find R as a half of diameter. So it's 10 meters. 2 pi R 2 into 22 by 7 multiplied with R means 10 into R plus H. It's 23. Please solve it and simplify and give the answer quickly, children. Formula of your question is, what is your formula of cylinder?
Ma'am, 2 pi r into r plus h.
Yes, 2 pi R into R plus H. So TSA of cylinder, TSA means total surface area of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi R into R plus H. So where they are giving in cylinder, the height of the cylinder is given as 13, H is given as 13 meters, whereas diameter is given, children, diameter is given as 20 meters. So D is 20 meters means R is 20 by 2. 20 by 2 is 10 centimeters. Diameter is radius is nothing but half of diameter. Now you have to substitute in the formula 2 into 3 point. What is the pi value, children? What is the pi value? Pi
3.14.
3.14 multiplied with R is nothing but a 10 multiplied with R plus H, 10 plus 13. Please simplify quickly. So 2 multiplied with 3.14, 3.14 multiplied with 10 multiplied with 23. Come on, children, any simplest way is there to solve this question? Instead of 22 by 7, if you take, no, 7 table 23. Okay, come on, children, please simplify and give the answer. Area meter square. Yes. Yes, children. So multiplied with 10 means decimal jumps towards one place. It's 31.4. 2 multiplied with 31.4 multiplied with 23. Come on, children, 23 2 times. What is 23 2 times, children? 23, 20. Yes, 46 multiplied with 31.4. Quickly give the calculation and answer, children. Who are doing fast calculation only the winners. Come on, please. 31.4 multiplied with 46, or else if you go with units place also, sometimes randomly you can check with units place will be matched any one of the answer is 6 4s are 24. Let me check the question. Yes, which option is correct, children? Yes, which option is correct?
I'm that 1444.
Last,
1445.
yes, last option is true, children. Last option is true, right? One minute, children. Somewhere the questions are skipping. I think if your schools are going to allotted for NAS, means National Achievement Survey, even you have some testing part, children, in maths.
Yes, ma'am, our school is appointed.
Yeah, so that please write your, so show your math skills, extraordinary skills in the test too, because
Ma'am,
is-
but it's not sure if maths will come to us. It's like language and maths, language and science, science and maths, like that. 3 to 4 sets of papers are there.
in 8th class, mandatory math skills, science skills, English skills, they are going to test. You have 3 types of skills to be tested. So that one is math, science, and English. These are the three areas you have. Even social skills also will be tested for grade 8 and 10th grade, because I appointed for grade 8 and 10th class in the same school. So that we got the message like there are different areas will be tested: math, science, and social, even language skills also to be tested for the students. Based on that survey only, you will get further next year the portions are how the portions will be. Yes, option B is correct, children, because units place is 4, rest are not true. Like that, you can quickly do that part too. Next, question number 3. What is the surface area of cylinder nearest square inch? Nearest square inch. This is also very similar to like a question number 2, children, but here indirectly they gave height as 14 and radius as 9 inches. You just place it in 2 pi into 2 pi r into r plus h formula, so that you will get a surface area of cylinder. Next question, what is the volume of
L into B into H, option A.
right? LB in LBH, length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. That's the volume of cuboid. Next, a matchbox measured 4 centimeters. Dimensions of matchbox are given. You need to find the volume.
15 centimeters square, A.
15
Yeah.
centimeters square.
Yeah, how 2.5 can be written as how you
2.5 into 4 is 10 and 10 into 1.5 is 15. So 15 centimeters square.
No, children, you just see 2.5 can be written as, can we take it as 1/4? No? 25 by 10. Okay. Yes, which option is correct here, Sahu?
A option.
A, ma'am, A, 15
A
centimeters square.
option. 15
Right,
centimeters
children,
square.
because 25 fours are 100 as a decimal gems. Yeah, 15 centimeters
Yes.
square. Next one, find the surface area of the figure. This is also like a
Twice
cube.
LB plus BH plus LH.
Yes, surface area means 2h into L. Sorry, what is the surface area of cuboid, children? 2h.
Twice LB plus BH plus LH.
Yes. You just L equal to, what is the length given here?
6 centimeter, breadth is 4 and height is 5.
So 2h into LB plus BH
6
plus L.
plus 4 into 4
And the
plus
answer
5
is 148
into 6 plus 5.
Yes. You just place it, 6 fours are 24, 5 fours are 20, 24 plus 20, and 6 fives are 30. You just combine and multiply with
And I think it's 148 centimeters square.
very good. Next one. What is the volume, children?
27.
Is it 27?
27, yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it's 3 centimeter one side, so side cube, which is 27.
Wait 1 minute. Children. A student is waiting. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, ma.
ma'am, how to check like which school is appointed for NAS?
They will. That's a confidential. Children. They will send a report to your principals. Principal will prepare everything. They are getting from external observers and external invigilators, not from your own school. Randomly, they are taking from different schools, children. So that 11th and 12th, if you have math class, probably you don't have math class on 11th and 12th, children. I'll send message in the group too. What is the volume, children? So here its volume is directly you can say it's 3 square. 3 square is no, it's 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube 27. Next one, find the volume of figure. Same thing, children. LBH.
Ma'am, product of all the three.
Yeah. Next, same thing. Volume means LBH. It is also the figure, sir. You just see, children. This is just a length, breadth, height. How you supposed to take? You just this figure is just quite opposite to this. That's a standing figure. It's a sleeping. Nothing new here. Next, the formula to find the surface area of cuboid of length LBH.
Option B,
Option
twice
B,
LB plus
ma'am.
BH plus LH.
Yes, 2 multiplied with LB plus BH plus LH. Right. Next, Kate built a garden box of 4 sides. It has 2 sets of parallel sides. Which of the following shape a cuboid her garden?
Trapezoid.
Ma'am, trapezoid, because there is only one pair of parallel sides in trapezoid.
Very good. Very good. So one pair of parallel sides have which shape, children?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Rest all have 2 pairs.
Yes, trapezium. Trapezium or trapezoid, both are same meaning. By seeing the question only, you can see, children. It has
Ma'am,
2 of parallel sides. Which of the following could her garden not to be? Yes, Sahu?
ma'am, in the next question, only the shaded part area, we need to find out the entire part.
No, what is the area of the triangle? You have to see here, whatever the part is given triangle, okay, right angle triangle, they said. So you can find hypotenuse over here. Once you are getting hypotenuse, I think shaded portion area only, Sahu. Sahu,
Okay.
that's why they
Ma'am,
shade.
but then the entire triangle's area was 230 square centimeter. So the shaded portion area must be less than that. But
Yes.
only 230 and 460 were the answers. So I did 230.
Okay, okay. Oh, same options are repeated. Okay, square centimeter. So area means always
Square
okay.
centimeter.
Centimeter. So option C is correct, right? Very good, sir. Nice, Gus. Nice estimation. Find area of trapezoid. What is the formula? Who
Half
will-
into height into sum of parallel sides.
Yes, a half into height into sum of parallel sides. What is sum of 6.5 and 8.5 together? It's 9.
7 plus 8, 15.
Yeah, 15. 15 into 3.
45.
45.
What is
Which
the
is
area?
half 22.5 meters square. Half of that.
Yes, 22 point. Half into, please remember the formula, children. Area of trapezoid is nothing but half of distance between parallel sides multiplied with sum of parallel sides. Next, to find area of triangle, simply multiply base and height. Is it?
False. Half into base into height.
Yeah, to find area of triangle, you have to half into base into height. Next one, what is the area of this shape? Which
Ma'am,
shape?
it's a trapezium.
Very good. It's trapezium. Parallel sides are given. You just add up parallel side multiplied with height multiplied with the distance between those parallel sides, and you just make a half. Come on, children. Is it able to see the figure? 1 minute, children. I cannot. Okay.
Ma'am, it's 50. 50.
Okay, 6, 20, 20, we multiplied with 5 into by 20, 10, 5 are 50, right, children? Right, right. Option C is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, multiply by 1 by 2 is the same as multiply.
Dividing by 2.
Divided by 2.
Very good, very good.
Heron's formula.
Next, 17th question. Find area of this triangle.
Well, here Heron's formula we have to use.
Yes, ma'am.
So all sides are given so that you just
Ma'am, I use normal one only because it is a right angle triangle, the height and the one.
Ma'am,
with
but that was not confirmed whether it is right angle because that square was not given below.
is it a Pythagorean triplets? You please check out the sides, Sahu. Like that also we can go whether it is a Pythagoras or not. Sahu, if it is Pythagoras triplets, the given sides, you can go directly with the half base into height also because
Ma'am, can you please tell that formula? How to check Pythagorean
yeah,
triplet?
yeah, I will help you. Now 5 square plus 25, 7 square 49, 25 plus 49, how much, Sahu? 25 plus 49, is it 64? 25 plus 49, because I'm squaring square
Yes,
5.
ma'am, 64.
So 64 equal to hypotenuse square 8 square. Both are same. So these given sides are to Pythagorean triplets too. Even it is a right angle triangle like that. Even
Oh,
just
okay, like that. Okay, ma'am, understood.
yes, sometimes Sahu, some methods are very easy instead of doing that. In this case, we can go with Pythagoras triplets so that it's a right angle triangle. We
Ma'am,
can,
I have a doubt.
yes, please, ma'am. Where you have doubt in this?
Ma'am, 5 square plus 7 square is equals to 8 square, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but the addition of 5 square and 7 square gives 74, right?
No, 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 49 plus 25, how much, Nana?
64, which is 8 square.
No, legs here, hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. In this, which is the hypotenuse 8 centimeters. So hypotenuse square is nothing but sum of the squares of other two sides, 5 square and 7 square. You just check it if both are equal. It's a Pythagorean triplets. The given numbers are Pythagorean triplets. Sides are so that we can go with half base into height as Jashmita said. Half base into height means base is 7, height is 5, 7 5s are 35 by 2. 35 by 2 is nothing but a 17.5 centimeters square, right? And you can go with that part also. Sometimes they can, yeah. Next, name this shape. It's by seeing it since what is the shape, children? Yes, seeing it since one pair of parallel sides means
Quadrilateral and trapezoid.
very good. Quadrilateral sided figure, please. Next one, it's a parallelogram. By seeing only you can say this. Is it a parallelogram, children?
Yes, ma'am, it is a
Equal,
parallelogram.
right? So that what is the area of this figure, children? What is area of parallelogram?
Base into height.
Many times I said, children, parallelogram is nothing
Ma'am,
but
base into height.
base into height. Where rectangle length into breadth, here parallelogram base into height. Those are very, very similar figures, Nana. Don't forget, parallelogram is base into height. 20 into 21.5 together, it's it's 42 or 43. Yeah, 43.
430 inches square.
30, right. Next one. How do you find the area of triangle? Half base into height. Option
Half
C.
base into height. Yes, ma'am.
If two bases of trapezoid must be always
Parallel to one another.
Parallel to one another.
right. Next, when finding the area of parallelogram, you should
Find
parallelogram,
the product of base. and
Find the product of base and height. Option D.
right. How do you find the area of quadrilateral?
BH.
Quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral.
Ma'am, I think it's C.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
BH.
Wait, Sahu. Quadrilateral. You find area
Ma'am,
of,
half BH is of triangle.
Yeah.
no, of course, half BH. Yes.
Ma'am,
Someone
it
is
is half BH only.
half BH is
Yes,
it's a
yes,
triangle.
ma'am, it's half B.
No,
No,
some
ma'am, it is BH only. BH only.
Ma'am,
Why
it's
do-
BH only.
Ma'am, it's C, it's C, it's C.
No, even before that,
why it is C? Can you please?
Ma'am,
say?
you told us the formula, ma'am, diagonal into H1 plus H2 by 2.
Yeah. Half of diagonal multiplied with H1 plus H2. But here quadrilateral means can we how many triangles we can? Sahu, why you are saying B into H? Can you please give your explanation over here? Yes.
Ma'am, because here half base into height is of triangle,
Hmm.
then half h in bracket b plus b. This formula I've seen in none of the quadrilaterals. But BH is in most of them. Like square is also BH only, rectangle also BH, parallelogram also BH. So by that logic, I did BH.
No, but both are same only. Sahu, option B and option C, both.
Yes,
both
ma'am, they are same, but more certainly we use BH.
okay.
Yes, ma'am, we mostly use BH only.
More sometimes because if it is some figures you can use BH, some
Ma'am,
figures
also, ma'am, two triangles means one quadrilateral. So half and half get cancelled. So directly we can tell BH, one quadrilateral.
that is okay, Sahu. But always half of H is nothing but what and what is B, Jashmita, in this third formula is also true, children. In this case, even
Yes,
we
ma'am,
can,
it will be half h into 2b, which is h into b.
yeah, BH, both are same formulas, both are true here. Both option B and C are true.
Ma'am, but exact answer is BH, no.
If it is simplified, also same thing you will get, Sahu. Sometimes in the examination also, you will have two options, few questions having two options.
Ma'am, but last time you said you should give direct, means final answer.
Simplified form. Right, that's
Yes.
true. Right. Next one. Now find the area of parallelogram. Base height is given, so base into height. So 91.9 multiplied with the 2. 19 2 times how much, children? It's 30
38.
meters square, right? Next one, find the area of this.
Half into product of diagonals. It is rhombus.
Yes, rhombus, product of diagonals. Diagonals are given as 10 and 14. 140 by 2.
Half of 140, which is 70.
70, right? The same thing. This is
Same here, yes, ma'am.
and only decimal point is there. You know very well about decimal multiplication. Please go ahead. Now, dash is a quadrilateral which with the two sets of parallel sides. Parallel two sets of
Parallelogram.
right. Parallelogram are dash.
Quadrilaters.
Quadrilaterals.
Very good. Next, find area, half base into
Half
height.
into base into height.
Very good. Even you go with that. Base value, you know, height value, you know, so that you can go with the half base into height. Next one, children, it's what shape. By seeing only you can observe what shape it is.
It's a trapezium.
Trapezium.
Trapezium. So
Half into h into sum of parallel sides.
what type of trapezium is it, children? Is it
Isosceles trapezium.
Isosceles trapezium.
yes, isosceles trapezium. Very good. So what is the formula? You know that half of h.
Half of height into sum of parallel sides.
Yes, the 15 plus 11. H is 6 multiplied with half. You just simplify, you will get the answer. That's about yesterday's test. and very simple questions. I am not sure how many are doing in that. Correct. Next chapter, most of the things are covered in this chapter. Any questions are left over, we will discuss those parts in 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have doubt about total and lateral surface area of cylinder.
Cylinder, okay. Yeah, see, Sahu, very simple. I will just give diagrammatically so that you never forget that part. So we know that LSA and TSA of cylinder. Cylinder means what you know, you just how many
Circular faces and one curved face.
so if you want to take as if you want to take as LSA, you just go with this part only, children. You just take only, you just no need of including your circular regions, top and bottom. If you remove this, you will get even rectangle shape only, children. If you remove that circular shape, where you dissect that figure, you will get a rectangle shape only. That this is only rectangle. It's quite rectangle shape only. But how I will help you right now? What is TSA of cylinder? TSA of cylinder is total surface area cylinder is, yes, children, 2 pi. 2 pi. What is the total TSA of cylinder, children? 2 pi.
2 pi in bracket R plus.
Yeah. See, if you expand this, what happens? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r square means the area of this circular region is pi r square, Nana. This circular region is pi r square. So that is pi r square plus pi r square together becomes what?
2 pi R square.
So this is about your curved region, so like a circular region, whatever the top and bottom areas. So we know that lateral surface area is nothing but LSA is nothing but you just leave this part, children. You just leave this circular region only. LSA means 2 pi RH. That's all. Now you understand, Sahu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
TSA
ma'am.
understood.
Only this part is LSA, Nana. This part is LSA. Curved regions, whatever circular regions includes means you will get a TSA of the cylinder. That's all.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, please.
Ma'am, so from next class we'll start discussing the textbook questions.
Yes, we will go with the textual questions only, children, because basic
Yeah, ma'am, because I had a few doubts from that.
many applications are there in this chapter. Already a few things are given. Shreyashi, we will just see that. If you have any other questions also, we will go with that. Or else we have many.
Ma'am, Mr. Shreya.
Yeah, we have many questions to practice. Questions also there.
Ma'am, I also got confused. Ma'am was telling me.
We will go with the questions, children. I'm not completed many questions. Only volumes I didn't discuss it. Only the part till surface areas only we are doing. Let me go with a few more examples so that you can.
Ma'am, because this is like slightly lengthy, ma'am. There are lots of steps in each question.
Each and every question involves different. Okay. Can we go with a few examples, children, right now? Yes. Anyway, we discussed 2-3 times the formulas so that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now the one of the question we have to take here, volume questions we will do. Volumes are quite easy comparatively TSA and LSA. Everything is easy to be once you know formulas. And here the question is 1920. The question is 1920 cubic units. CU means cubic units. Cubic unit meters of 1 minute. Meters.
Ma'am, where is this question from?
These are from foundation books. The previous examination, competitive examinations, given questions only I'm discussing.
Oh, okay.
Textbook questions more simpler than this, children. Remember, always whenever we are discussing in the class, little bit complex questions. If you do in your class textbook NCERT questions, Your textbook questions are more simpler than this. 1920 cubic meters of air is contained in a room. Air is contained in a room. Air is contained in a room. In room. 8 meters high, children. Very, very logical question. 8 meters high, but more simple. Find its length and breadth of. Find its length and breadth. Find its L and B, length and breadth, Sana. Length and breadth. Find its length and breadth, given that what it is given. Its length is 1 its length is given. Its length is the relation between length and breadth is given, children. Length is 1 2 by 3 times 1 2 by 3 times of breadth of breadth.
Right, yes, fine.
Yeah. In this question, children, whatever the given things are there, given height of height is given, children. What is the height is given, children? 8 meters.
8 meters.
Yes.
8 meters.
Volume is given. V is given. What is the volume? What is the shape here? By observing.
Ma'am, it's a cuboid.
Very good. By observing this room means it's a cuboid. Room means it's cuboid. So you know that area of a floor, or else you know that volume is 1920 cubic meters. You're supposed to find the area of the floor, children. How to find area of floor? Multiplied with no, children. Children, here volume we supposed to. What is volume of cuboid, children? Length multiplied with the breadth multiplied with the height. So LBH, L and B relation is given. L is nothing but 1 2 by 3 times of its breadth. If you're supposed to take breadth as x, what about length, children? What about length? Yes, whatever the given things, I will write on the screen. Volume is given 1920 cubic meters, 1920 cubic meters, and height is given.
Height is 8 meters.
And length and breadth we don't know, we supposed to find out. But relation between length and breadth is given, children. What is given? If breadth is nothing but x, means what about length, children? Length is 1 2 by 3 times of breadth. So that means you just write 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3x or 5x by 3. Come on, children, now you have to substitute. Volume is nothing but length multiplied with the breadth multiplied with height. So length is
5x by 3 into x into 8 is equals to 1920 cubic meters.
yes, exactly. You just substitute over and 1920 you just equate. Now here 5 table you just send x into x is nothing but x square, children. X into x is nothing but x square. So that rest of the portions, whatever 1920 multiplied with the 3 and divide with the 5 and 8, because whatever the numbers are in multiplication, it will come under division. Division come under multiplication, so that you simplify here. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. So
Ma'am?
yes. 5 9s
Ma'am, I
are
got the answer, ma'am. And is the answer breadth equals to 12 and length equals to 20?
very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. You just simplified everything. Very good, ma'am. Correct. You're correct. Length is actually what you are getting. Breadth is 12 meters as well as length is 5 by 3 into x. X is breadth there. So 5 by 3 into 12 you are getting. Please simplify this part, children. Come on, please simplify this part. 1920, 42 means 8 times 40. 20 means 5 4s are 20. So 384 multiplied with 3 divided with 8. Come on, student, please do simplification. Do simplification. 384 multiplied with 3 divided with 8. simplify and give the answer, children. 8 table, is it directly will go in 8 table? I think so. 8 4s are 32. 8 6 are 30. 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 32. 64 means 8. 8 times is 64, right? So 48 multiplied with the 3. What is the value of 48 into 3, children? Is it 144?
Yes,
48,
ma'am. 144.
128,
Which is 12 square.
120, 144. So x square is 144, x is 12 square. Yes, correct, children. X value is 12. So just replace in the value of x is nothing but breadth. So if you want to find out the length value, means you just substitute in that, you will get answer length and breadth. Yes,
Ma'am,
children?
I did this sum in a little bit different method, but I got the answer same
Yes.
only.
Same thing, children. Only the thing we are substituting the values, whatever the values. Next
So, ma'am,
question.
the answers are 20 and 12, right?
Yeah, breadth is 12 meters. Whereas length is
Yeah, ma'am, and length is.
Length is 20.
yeah,
5 by 3.
Yeah, ma'am.
5 4s are 20 meters, right, master? Yeah, yes, correct. Both are correct. Length and breadth. Next question. Different applications are given. See, children, if 3375 liters of water fill a cubical cistern, let me find the length of each edge of the cistern. 1 liter.
Repeat the question.
Yes, I will write on the screen, children, if you know question thoroughly. If 3375 liters of water fill a cubical cistern, a cubical cistern, find the length of each edge of cistern. Find the length of each edge of the cistern. Here one clue is given, children. 1 liter equal to 1 cubic. What is this? DM means what, children? DIM means decameters. DM means decimeters. Cubic decimeters. Come on, children. Cistern means the capacity of cistern means how it is, children. Cubic cistern. Cubical cistern means it's a yes. How it is, children? If three,
What is cistern, ma'am?
it's like the children cubical shape. Yeah. How I can say here? Yes. Cubical cisterns, children. Cisterns. Do you heard the word? The capacity of cistern. It is given like that. The shape is like a cubical cistern. Means if you take it as cubical shape cistern, children. The cistern means the shape of that cistern is like a cubical shape. Vessel lantidi nana. It's one type of vessel, but it's a cubic shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, if 3375 liters of water fills a cubical vessel or cubical cistern, find the length of each edge of cistern. Cubical means by
Yes.
yeah, cubical means is it a cubical vessel means what is volume of cube, children? Always
Volume of cube is length into breadth
No.
into height.
No, cube means all sides are equal, right, ma'am? All sides are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes, ma'am. Cubical, ma'am. Not cube.
can we
Yes.
make a cube equal to 3375? Yes, yes or no? Yes. Yes or no, children? Can you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is A is nothing but cube root of, come on, children. What is cube root of 3375? Who will give quickly? Yes. Is it 15 cube or 25 cube? Please check quickly and give the answer to me. Yes. Therefore, each side we are getting as how much, children?
Ma'am, 15 only, ma'am.
Yes. So cube root of it's 15. 15 decameters. By which in decameters it is given, children. The length of each side of system is 15 decameters. What they're asking in the question, children, find the length. That's all. Find the length of each edge of the system. Therefore, each edge of system is 15 decameters. In question, some new terminology words are given also. You just take from key points, Nana. Keywords. Here, this is the keyword. Cubical system, cubical vessel. That means volume. Volume of cube is nothing but A cube. A cube is given as 337. So suppose you want to find out, each length of each side of the system. So that that is nothing but A value you're supposed to find out. So here cube root of 3375 is 15 decameters. 15 decameters. Yes, sir, shall we go with the next question, children? Yes, what's time, right?
Ma'am, it's 7:30, ma'am.
Okay, right, children. Next class we are going with a few questions regarding to cylinder, the shape cylinder, then about the cylinder and cone shape, children, and rest of the things. Yeah, please revise the formulas thoroughly once again. All the formulas, whatever the formulas given by me, please revise all the formulas.
Okay, ma'am.
Lateral surface area of cuboid or cylinder. You just go with the cylinder shape, means 2 pi r h. TSA of cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. LSA of cuboid 2 multiplied with LB plus BH plus LH. TSA of cube. TSA of cube is 6a square. LSA of cube is 4a square. Total surface area of cuboid already we discussed. Like that, you just please go with the volumes also. You're supposed to learn, children. Volume of cuboid is LBH. Volume of cube is A cube or X cube or whatever side cube. And volume of right circular cylinder. Don't think another word, children. Sometimes about cylinder, they're going to use the word right circular cylinder. It's also very similar, pi r square h. So volume of, these are the formulas you have to remember, children. Those are the basic formulas. That's all for the day, children. We'll meet in next class with some more concepts. Right, children? Bye. Have a nice day, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye. The children in 11th and 12th, I'm not available. Please practice the sums in those days. Don't waste.
Okay, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.